You know, when they'd sprayed me with that pepper spray, I had seen that mud hole. And Avan had jumped out of this cop car and announced to everybody, Jason Davis, the king of methamphetamines. But I was able to get on my knees with my hands handcuffed behind my back and get to the mud hole and get my face in it because I was burning the hell up. And when I was a child, they had potluck on Wednesday at Lakeside Baptist Church. And I was a fat kid. I liked to eat. And I'd go over there. And one day they had baptisms. And I watched them dip them people in that water and them come on out with this newfound expression of faith, of joy. It was in the water. And later on in my life, when I decided to reconcile with the world, with God, with my future and my destiny, it would be the water of faith that I drink. It would be the water that comes out of the mountains and hearts of greater men. The water that pours from heaven. The faith and substance of the things that gives you continuity, that allows the inside of your body and spirit to work. It's always in the water. The water of God, the water of your faith, the water of your destiny. Don't ever dam it up. Don't ever be the beaver. Let him be the guy that sells gas in Florida. Be the person that opens it up. Call upon God in your faith. Call upon the people that want you to win. And exponentially push that out in the world. Give away the water of your life to people. Encourage and inspire. Be blessed. God bless America. Fluent English.